Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Checking your oxygen tank properly is crucial for your safety and well-being. This guide will walk you through the essential steps for 2025, making sure your therapy remains reliable and effective. Understanding how to assess your tank prevents last-minute panics and ensures you always have the oxygen you need. We will cover visual inspections, pressure checks, and important safety tips. Stay with us to master these vital checks. Safety is your top priority when dealing with oxygen equipment. Always work in a well-ventilated area to prevent any gas buildup. It is vital to keep your oxygen tank far away from any open flames, high heat sources, or direct sunlight to avoid potential hazards. Crucially, never, ever use oil or grease on or near your oxygen equipment. These substances can react violently with pure oxygen. Following these simple rules keeps you safe. Begin your check with a thorough visual inspection of the tank itself. Look carefully for any signs of physical damage such as dents, rust, or deep scratches that could compromise its integrity. Next, confirm that the regulator and all connections are securely fastened and show no signs of wear or leakage. Finally, examine the pressure gauge. It should be clear, easy to read, and free from cracks or fogging. A quick visual sweep can spot many issues. Once visually clear, it is time to check your tank's pressure and flow. Gently open the tank valve and observe the pressure gauge reading. It will show you how much oxygen remains. Then, adjust your flow meter to your prescribed setting, ensuring the flow indicator moves smoothly. Always listen carefully for any unusual hissing noises, which could signal a leak from the tank or connections. If you hear a hiss, turn off the tank and contact your provider. Regular maintenance keeps your oxygen system performing optimally. Always replace your tank well before it completely empties, ensuring you never run out unexpectedly. Store your oxygen tanks upright, secured, and in a cool, dry place, away from curious children and pets. Developing a consistent checking routine, maybe once a week, will help you stay prepared and confident in your oxygen supply. These simple habits ensure your continuous well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.